Hello and welcome. In this video, I will be showing you how to set up variable products in your store on MEMIDOS. Variable products are the ones that can have several variations in their size, material, color, etc. Make sure that the website language is set as English for us to be able to translate your product. Hover the cursor over the Products button and you will see Add New appear. By clicking on it, you will be led to the product page where you can set your products up. When clicking on Simple Product, a menu bar will roll down and here you have to choose Variable Product. You can follow the example in the product title. Input your brand name, and product specification. To separate with a dot, press Alt and 7. The title should be a maximum of 50 characters. In this example, we will set up a block bearing in 3 different sizes. Next, go to the right side of the screen and upload pictures of your product. Make sure the pictures are of good quality, contains no watermarks or logos. The picture should also be square and a minimum of 800 x 800 with a white background. Following this is the description of the product. Here you can also add pictures and videos. Make sure your description has a title as well. The title in your description has to be heading 2. Scrolling down, we get to the Inventory tab. As we are setting up a variable product, we will not have to do anything here. SKU and stock status is set per variation, which means we will be inputting the information under each variable instead. In the shipping section, you will have to input your shipping information. To see how to set up shipping, watch our tutorial on the help page. Shipping weight and shipping dimensions will be input under each variation, so leave this blank. Shipping class is only relevant for existing EU users. You can also set your processing time if it's different from your default setting. For new users, you will have to choose your shipping method, such as live rates or flat rates. For live rates, you will only have to input shipping weight and shipping dimensions under each variation. The rates are then taken live from your carrier. For flat rates, you choose your shipping profile that fits your product and the calculation method. Be aware that flat rates sets the same price for each variation. In the next section, you have to specify the tax class relevant for your country. For EU countries, you must choose EU standard rates. In the previous tutorial, we showed you how to use attributes to display the product specification. Now, in this tutorial, I will show you how to use attributes for setting up product variations. The variations for our block bearing is the inner diameter, so we make an attribute called inner diameter. In values, we enter the different sizes as 20 mm, 30 mm, and 40 mm and separate them with a vertical bar. To make the vertical bar, hold Alt and press 1, 2, and 4. Make sure to tick Use as Variation for the attribute you want to use as variation. Also make sure that any other attribute that is not used as variation isn't ticked. Input the remaining information in the Attributes tab such as brand, color, and material. In the Variations tab, we have to set up the different variations that we will be showing on the product page. Under the Variations Bulk Options window, you can choose to create all possible variations. We have now created our 3 variations, and we will have to enter the data for each variation. Just like for simple products, we must enter the product price, SKU, shipping weight, and shipping dimensions. As default, the featured image is selected for all variations, but you also have the possibility to set an individual image for each variation. If you would like one of the variations to be selected when the customer is watching the product page, you can choose that in the default form values window. Now you can press Draft and then press on Preview to check that your variable product looks as you would like it to. Next, we have the SEO tab. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. This is linked to how your product will appear in Google search results. Enter a focused key phrase consisting of 4 to 5 words and a meta description, which is a short description between 120 and 150 characters. It is fine to just copy this from some of the text in your product description. Under Consumer Sale, you can choose whether private consumers are also allowed to buy your product. Next, you can set up how long the warranty period should be. This number has to be in months, not years. Lastly, you can add any standards that your product conforms to or was billed in correspondence to. If you are missing any information when setting up the product, you can always save it as a draft, so you don't have to input all the information all over again. Finally, click Submit for review, and MEMIDOS will review it, make the translations into 19 additional languages, and then post it. Now you know how to add a variable product to your storefront. Thank you for watching, and be sure to follow us on social media.